have to be honest. For a family of 5, replacing toothbrush heads every 2 to 3 months can get quite expensive. I found these Genkent replacement toothbrush heads. And this is proof that you don't have to overspend for changing the toothbrush head every month. So 12 heads, this is the one I used. And they're color-coded for all the family members. And they snap onto the Oral-B. I have the Oral-B Braun. And I have no problem with these whatsoever. Snaps right on just as easily as the original. This fit is snug. No awkward wiggling or slipping mid-brush. The bristles on here are soft DuPont nylon, firm enough to polish plaque at the gum line, but not harsh enough where you feel like you're brushing with sandpaper. And the durability does hold up surprisingly well. You're going to get a few solid months out of these. And what will happen is the blue here in the toothbrush, when this fades away, that means it's time to get a new one. They don't shed, they don't fray, which is a real rarity at this price point. Bottom line, the Genkent brush heads do exactly what you need them to do. They clean efficiently. They're a perfect fit, and the cost is really next to nothing. Save your money for toothpaste that actually tastes good. These are an amazing swap.